Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, wanted to jump in here really quick. Happy end of the year, November 30th, getting ready to roll into month number 12 for 2024. Excited for 2025. I wanted to do this recording very, very quickly because I know there's a lot of you out there that have a little bit of experience trading, but you don't have a lot of time to say, like I do, get up in the morning at 8:15 a.m. and hang out on your computer for a couple of hours to go in and trade. And that's absolutely okay. Maybe you have a full-time job, you've got another gig, maybe you're doing something else in another type of business, which is absolutely okay, but you still have a little bit of skill, a little bit of background knowledge on how to trade. Well, one of the things that I did, right, and then of course there's money, like where do I get money to trade? One of the things that I did is I set myself up and I aligned myself with a company called FunderPro, which is absolutely cool. They've got a very, very cool, they call challenge program. We can go in and take a challenge to qualify. When you pass that challenge, you can qualify for real money. And then there's like an 80-20 split on what you do when you win those trades. The biggest challenge is well, how do I go in and do a challenge and figure out how to trade? Well, I've got access to an absolutely phenomenal system that provides trade signals on a regular basis that has an 80+% win ratio on those trade ideas. Disclaimer, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. If you don't have money to trade with, don't trade. If you don't like losing money, don't trade. If you don't like losing, don't trade. That means 20% of the trades you take are going to be a loss. If you freak out over that, you don't. Well, here's what's really cool. I found a really cool way to go in and set up an account with FunderPro, go through and pass their challenge with FunderPro, and then use their money to trade with, right? And then I've got another story behind that, but I'm not going to go into it because I took some of that money and started a stock options account. And anyway, that's a whole lot of fun. That's a whole nother deal. But if you're at a point where like, man, I want to trade, I'm missing out on this money. I'd like to do this. I'm going to go through, I'm going to show you this here really quick on what you'd be looking for if that's you. If you can open up your phone, you can take a trade idea, you can open up your trading software that's provided by FunderPro or any other app. If you don't want to, if you've got your own money, you want to trade with it, that's fine. If you'd like to say get a $100,000 account from FunderPro and trade with that, it's very, very cool. I can show you exactly how to take 500 and roughly 540 bucks, purchase a challenge with it, use the trade ideas to pass the challenge. When you pass that challenge, then you're going to get real money to trade with. And when you get your when you do your first account, they give you your 540 bucks back. And that's a $100,000 account. I recommend that. They've got them all the way down to 5,000. I wouldn't start with anything less than $100,000. Just trust me on this. And the cool thing about it is once you get enrolled, I'll show you exactly how to set up your trading software so that you're going to risk very, very minimum to take these trade ideas, and you can still pass the challenge probably in about 30 to 45 days, give or take. Maybe 60 days at the longest. That's if you take the trade ideas, you pay attention, you plug them in, you do what you're supposed to. Then when you pass the challenge, you can continue to take the trade ideas to win trades, make money, win trades, make money, win trades. You're going to lose some, right? You're going to win the majority of them because we've got an 80% win ratio. So let me do a quick screen share. I'm going to throw this through you. I've got the trading software up. It's very, very cool to get the trade ideas every month. As a matter of fact, so how much does this cost? Well, it's $124 plus 50, so it'll be $174 for the first month, and then $149 a month after that to get these trade ideas. So I want to make sure that I'm clear on that. So it's going to be $149 a month, basically regular to do this. If you copy these trade ideas and you do what I'm saying too, the 149 bucks isn't going to be an issue. But again, you need to practice with these a little bit before you get started. So let me do a screen share. I'm going to show you this real quick. And if you have any questions about wanting to get started, feel free to reach out to me. We can do a private Zoom. I can walk you through and do some clarification if you need it. So this is the trading software that you'd get. And when you get your account set up, they're going to start you out with whatever purchase amount that you start, $100,000. Again, I wouldn't recommend. They've got them all the way down to 5,000. I'm just saying, if you're going to trade gold or silver or NAS 100 US 30, any of these types of big boys, BTC, you need to have a big account. If you really want to go big, go with a $200,000 account. It's a little more expensive. However, when you pass the challenge, you're going to have a whole lot of money to trade with. You're going to have a lot of flexibility to be able to do that. So in here, you're going to be looking at gold, silver, NAS 100, US 30, DAX 40, possibly. You don't have to trade all these. My favorites are NAS 100, US 30, and Bitcoin. Just trading those, taking those three trade ideas when they come out. however often they come out, you'll be fine, absolutely fine, absolutely fine, absolutely fine. So let's scroll down. Let me show you the win ratio. It's like put your money where your mouth is. I'm not going to belabor it. Here's the trade ideas. And they'll come out and they'll look something like this. It'll say sell this natural gas. Here's your entry point. Here's your take profits. Target profit one, target profit two, target profit three. You can decide which level you want to go to. And then, of course, you're given a stop loss. I'm going to show you how to set this up so that you don't risk more than a certain percentage based on your lot size. We'll talk about that to make sure that when you do go in to take this challenge, they're not going to blow your challenge in the first trade, because a lot of people, oh yeah, I've got this trade idea. They don't set a stop loss and then boom, they fail the challenge because they pass their daily minimum loss limit, and that's not fun at all. There's no rush to this. The money's not going anywhere. Take your time to do this, because then you can set yourself up to where you're making maybe $1,500 a week or $1,500 a day, or whatever it is based on your goals, right? So let's scroll down here. You can see these are all trade ideas that are popping up here. And this is June 24th to 28th, but I want to show you the entire month of June. So this is June of 2024. You can see there was some gold. You'll see the little red circle means there's a loss. There's a couple of losses in here. And if you want, you can go back and do the math on these and add these up. You can see gold, Bitcoin has always got some big numbers going on. Here's a Bitcoin one here at 3,200 on Bitcoin, right? 16,540 pips is a win, 58 trades, 45 wins, 13 losses, 77.59%. Now, I did say 80%. It's going to average out. Trust me, it's going to be 80% when we're all done here. So again, that was June. Let's roll into July. And I'm going back this far because I want to see this. This is all the trade ideas that you're going to get on a regular basis. You can see there's a lot I'm scrolling through here. Let me get to the end of July. We got a ways to go. Got to go. All right, here is July. July results. Again, here's Bitcoin, NAS, gold, silver, gold again, silver, BTC. Here's gold, Bitcoin, US 30, Bitcoin, NAS 100. And you can see 19,160 pips, 53 wins, 53 trades, 44 wins, 83.02%. Let's go ahead and go. See, that was July. Let's go down to August. Here's August results, right? August results, August 26th through 30th. That's the last week. And then here's the entire month of August. Again, you can see the wins and the losses here, right? The numbers next to them, those are pips. If you don't understand what pips are, you might not be advanced enough to take these trade ideas, right? 19,000 pips won, 78 trades, 65 wins, 13 losses, 83.33% win ratio. Let's go down to September. All right, let's roll down here, September. My goal isn't to keep you here all day. I just want to show you these wins, right? So if you invest in this, you can say, hey, there's a great opportunity here. You don't need to take every single trade idea. I don't think that is actually a good idea to take every single trade idea. Here's the end of the month. This is September 2024. You can see big numbers, couple of losses, more wins, couple of losses in between there. Overall, September, 12,340 pips, 61 wins, 49 trades, 12 losses, 80%, 80.33% win ratio. And see, that was September. Let's go down here to October, October 21 to 25. Here's October results. So again, you can see these are all of October results in terms of wins and what you're looking at for a win ratio. 25,420 pips, 90 trades, 77 wins, 13 trades, 13 losses, 90 trades, you guys. I don't know if you have these trades drop like crazy. That's why I'm saying you pick your battles. Maybe Bitcoin and US 30, whatever it is, you pick those battles and expect you're not going to win every single time. You've got to be okay with being a loser, right? And that's absolutely okay, because you've got an 85% win ratio. You can track these. You can actually practice on a demo account before you sign up. But if you follow my instructions and you do this the right way, you'll pass this account. So let's roll into November. Here's November's results. Here we go. Here's the end of November. Gold trade ideas. And the reason you're not seeing trade ideas dropped here is because we actually have a Solex app where the trade ideas started getting dropped. So you'll notice they disappeared from the Telegram channel here, but they're actually on an app that you'll get when you subscribe and enroll in to get the trade ideas and enroll into the Trading Academy, which you can learn to trade as well while you're in there. So you can practice trading, you can learn to trade while you're taking these trade ideas to pass a challenge to get money to trade with. So again, this is we just wrapped up November. Today's November 30th, and you can see here coming through these trade ideas, we ended up with 68 trades, 14,820 pips, 68 trades, 56 wins, 12 losses, 82.35% win ratio. if you're going to take these trade ideas, right? It's very, very important that you understand and learn how to take these trade ideas. If you decide to come on and say, hey, Forrest, I want to do this, I'll methodically walk you through and give you my recommendations on how to pass the challenge. Again, I would take a look at passing the challenge. I'm going to bring them up here so you can see what the challenges look like. There should be a link somewhere underneath this video if you're watching this on YouTube to enroll into the challenge and enroll into to get the trade ideas. There's two different links. There's two different things. The challenge is one thing. To get the trade ideas is something else. The challenge, you're going to enroll it, and then when you choose which challenge you want to go into, there's a cost. So let me share that with you here real quick so you're not confused. Just enrolling in a challenge doesn't give you trade ideas, right? So you've got, and I would recommend a regular challenge. You've got a 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000. The $100,000 challenge is $549. Requisites target profit is $10,000 on phase one, $8,000 on phase two, unlimited time, 1 to 100 leverage. You have to trade a minimum of 1 day. You can't pass the challenge in 1 day anyway because there's a what they call a consistency rule. You'll figure that out. We'll talk about that. Your max loss is $10,000. Your daily loss is $5,000. You can't trade on the weekends. And when you pass your challenge and you get your the first payout, they'll refund you your fee with your first payout. That's the $100,000 challenge. $150,000 challenge costs a little bit more money. Again, you up your limit to your target profit areas. Same thing with your daily losses. Neat thing about this is as you add profit on top of your win. So you start out, say, with a $150,000 account, and you say you get to $155,000, these numbers go up. So in other words, you would have like a $17,000 and a $9,000. So these numbers go up as daily loss. Of course, when you lose, they go the other way, but it's all tracked for you. You can track all that. And again, here's your fee for that. And then the $200,000 challenge, this gives you a lot of leverage. And I can show you exactly how to take any one of these top threes. Again, I wouldn't recommend doing these, but some people are going to only go whatever. I'm just saying, go with 100,000, 150, 200,000. Just trust me on that. It doesn't mean anything to me. You just want to give yourself room to trade and take these trade ideas and give yourself room so you're not pushing that daily loss limit on a regular basis because that can stress you out, right? Because there is some drawdown on some of these trades. If you don't know what drawdown is, you probably shouldn't be taking a challenge, right? So that's your challenge pricing here. There should be a link underneath to enroll into this challenge. There's also going to be a link underneath this video to enroll and to get the trade ideas. And when you get the trade ideas, it's attached to our trading academy. You can actually go in and learn how to trade, right? If you're brand new and you're watching this video and you've never traded before, you do not want to take a challenge. You do not want to take trade ideas because you're going to lose your money, right? You don't want to lose your challenge money, the cost it would cost to enroll, because 540 bucks is 540 bucks unless you've got a ton of that laying around. I wouldn't do that. I would learn how to trade first. So if you've got a little bit of experience, you're thinking, man, I'd like some money to trade with. This is something serious. I would do that, right? I would get that. And there's a link right below me here. So you've got the challenge link, and then you've got the get the trade ideas link. You're going to go in and you're going to click on the elite package, and you're going to click on the Plato's package. So elite and Plato's, elite and Plato's. The first month is going to be, let's see, if you do it on before December 1st, it's going to be 124 plus 50, so 174 bucks for the month, for the first month, and then after that's 149 bucks a month. After that, if you're after December 1st, then it's going to be 149 plus 50, so $199, right? Yeah, $199 for the first month, and then $149 each month after that to get access to the Trading Academy and the trade ideas. Those trade ideas you can take and you can plug those into your challenge to pass the challenge if you have the experience doing that. I would recommend jumping on a video or jumping on a call with me so you understand exactly what you're getting. It's not complicated. I'm just saying this. If you've never traded before, I wouldn't try to take a challenge because you're going to lose your money. If you've got some experience trading and you'd like to get some money to trade with, and you don't want to use your own money, that's where the funded challenge would come in handy. You can take the trade ideas, you understand how to enter them in, you understand to set the stop loss, you understand risk, you understand the mindset that goes with that. You can operate your phone and operate the software to be able to do that. If you're looking to learn how to trade, click on the click on the link below that says Trading Academy, Trade Ideas, and enroll in the Elite Pack. You don't need to enroll into Trade Ideas yet, just enroll in the Elite Pack and get in and start taking the Trading Academy. You can learn how to trade stock options, you can learn how to trade Forex. Absolutely awesome, either one of those. And of course, we have another option if you want to learn how to trade crypto. That's something completely different. However, again, just to say the purpose of this video is to say, hey, I need some cash. I want some cash to trade with. I don't have a lot of time. I want to take some trade ideas. Either one of those, a combination of one another, and I want to plug them in, and I want to take those trade ideas and I want to use that to consolidate my time, and I want to use it to collect to get some money that I can trade with that's not my own. If either one of those are yours, click the link underneath here, enroll in the elite opportunity, enroll with the elite pack with the Plato's package, and then of course enroll in the funded challenge as well. You get those two put together, start taking those trade ideas, and you definitely want to get with me because I want to walk you through and show you how to set up your trading software so that you're taking a minimum risk while passing the challenge. And then when you pass the challenge, you can take minimum risk to constantly have an earning coming in every single month. If you have any questions, feel free to text me at 314-498-7688. That should be scrolling across the screen here somewhere. And feel free to text me with any questions. Make sure you throw your name in there. Tell me why you're texting me, and do not call me if your number's not on my phone. I'm not going to answer the phone. So text me first, and then we'll set up a time to chat. We can jump on a Zoom, and I can explain this a little bit better if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you on the challenge floor. I look forward to helping you have an awesome 25. I love you. Jesus loves you. Absolutely nothing you can do about that. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators and help you make a lot of money trading. See you on the trading floor. Bye bye.